Good morning, everyone. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 2nd of March. On Sunday, the 4th of March, Italy is going to hold an election, and the outcome is forecasted to be uncertain and fragmented. Mid-February, polls suggested that a coalition will be required, as no party is expected to pass the 40% threshold to form a government. Analysts seem to favor three scenarios as more probable: a hung parliament, centre pro-EU coalition, and the right-wing coalition. We see the case for the risks surrounding the euro to be on the downside, as most parties have altered their recent rhetoric to a more pro-European tone. In other news, the forming of the German government coalition will be decided. Also on Sunday, March the 4th, the results of the SPD voting regarding a possible coalition with CDU-CSU are to be announced. Analysts and German media suggest that most probably the SPD members will vote in favor of the coalition. Should that be the case, we could expect the new German government to form, as the CDU has already accepted the deal. With the new economy and foreign affairs ministers stemming from the SPD, we could see an even stronger pro-European orientation of the German government. Should the forecast be realized, we could see a strengthening of the euro. Euro-USD rose yesterday and broke the 1.2230 resistance level, now turned to support. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a bullish mood in the next few days, as the fundamentals seem to favor such a direction. Should the bulls remain in the driver's seat, we could see the pair breaking the 1.2355 resistance level and aim for the 1.2455 resistance hurdle. On the other hand, should the bears have the upper hand, we could see the pair breaking the 1.2230 support level and aim for the 1.21 support barrier. In today's other economic highlights, during the European morning, we get Germany's retail sales for January, which are forecasted to have a marked increase. Also, we get UK's construction PMI for February and Eurozone's producer prices for January. In the North American session, we get Canada's GDP annualized growth rate for the fourth quarter, which is forecasted to accelerate and could support the Canadian dollar. As for speakers, Bank of England Governor Carney speaks. Also today, Theresa May is to hold her main Brexit speech. The speech is to unfold her vision about the post-Brexit UK-EU relationship. It is also expected that she will try to strike a balance between the Eurosceptics and pro-European. However, such a balance may blur the message intended for Brussels. It could be the argument that Theresa May find difficulties in backing down from statements made in the past few days, and hence the tone of the speech may be tilted to the Eurosceptic side somewhat. Also, any hints on a choose and pick strategy could provoke reactions from Brussels. Please be advised that there may be some volatility around Great British Pound pairs at the time of the speech. Cable, after some volatility, rose yesterday during the North American session above the 1.3750 support level. We see the case for the pair to trade in a sideways manner in the next few days. However, the pair's direction may be dependent on Theresa May's speech today. Should the pair find fresh buying orders along its path, we could see it breaking the 1.3850 resistance level and aim for the 1.4040 resistance hurdle. On the other hand, should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 1.3750 support level and aim for the 1.3615 support zone. For more information, please read the full comment on ironfx.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.